Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own gift tag stickers using anti-tay sticker paper. Alright, so to make our gift tags, I'm just going to design something real quick. I'm not going to use like a pre-done image or anything. So the wrapping paper I have is like this buffalo check, red and black. So I want to do something simple but kind of different. So first, I'm going to go to images here and see what Cricut has. So I'm going to search Christmas and see what they have as far as images is concerned. So I think I want some kind of like tree. So I'm just going to scroll through here. So they have all these really cool images you guys can use. Let's see. Okay, so I really like all these really different geometric uh, trees. So I'm going to select a couple of these, and that's what I'm going to use for my gift tags. And so I'm going to be making stickers. So I'll show you, so since I'm making stickers, I'll show you guys how to do that. So I'm going to insert these. So I'm just going to kind of move these apart. And so I'll start with this one here. And I think like a I think I'll make this, I think 2.5 inches is good. So then I need my to and my from. So I'm going to go back to images because I remember seeing some to and from kind of pre-made images, text, or whatever. Okay, so I'm going to use this to and this love. So it'll be to so-and-so love me and Joe. And I'm going to be making these print and cut, so I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to make the two like this, and then I'll do the love like that. So I think it looks kind of cute with that tree next to it. It looks a little modern. So now I'm going to change the color. So I really like this like kind of turquoise color because I don't want to just do red because my paper is red, so I kind of want it to stand out a little bit. So I'm going to do sorry, I went to a concert last night. My voice is just like dead. So I'm going to do the love in that teal, and I'm going to do the two in this like red, and I'm going to just play with the temperature of it. So I'm going to make it a little bit darker, just a tish, so it's not so bright. Okay, so now I'm going to do I'm going to make a little colon with these circles. And you could do just a text, but I want to do it with these circles because I want to change the color. So I'm going to make this that teal. I'm going to go over here to duplicate. I'm just going to make one more. So I'm going to select both of these because I want to make sure they're going to be the same size. So I'm just going to hit duplicate again. And I'm going to bring these down here. All right. If I could just, there we go. I'm going to bring these down here, and then I'll change the color to that kind of red that I'm using. So I just think that looks like really modern and kind of cute. So maybe I should change this too. Let's see. I think that clashes too much. I think the black is fine. So I'm going to leave the black just so it doesn't, so there's a little bit of contrast there. So now I'm going to I don't want to write on these tags. I'm going to do it with my Cricut pens and my Cricut machine. So I'm going to go up here to fonts, and I'm going to filter so it's only writing fonts. So I just want something clean looking. Let's see. like this one. So let's do, my first niece is named Madeline. Okay, I'm going to move all this so you can see it better. To Madeline. Stretch that up. Or actually, I'm going to do Maddie. I don't want to do Madeline. Maddie. And then, so I'll duplicate that, make sure it's the same size. And then I will just edit this text to say Uncle Joe and okay. So this font has a really weird O for some reason. So instead of just having to find a whole nother font, I'm just going to put Love, J, and O. And I'm just going to maximize the letter space a little bit so it's easier. Okay, so now I need to figure out what shape I want this. So I want to see if they have like a rounded square so it's not so, let's see, something with more rounded edges. All right, let's try this and see if it works. All right, so I obviously don't want this purple. I want this to be white. And I'm going to throw this behind this text. All right, so I think that looks super cute, and I think it's a pretty good tag size. Maybe I'll make it a little bit smaller. There, that's cute. Okay, so we have our first one. So then basically I'm just gonna kind of duplicate all what I just did here with all of these. So I could do one of two things now. So I could flatten this whole image and basically make this a print and cut. And actually that would be my easiest option. So I don't even have to worry about the pens. I don't have to worry about any of that. This whole cute little tag will just print out of my printer, and then I'll cut the outline with my Cricut and be done with it. So I think I'm going to do that because that is going to be the easiest. So I'm going to duplicate what I just did here with all of my little tree guys here, and then we will print. Okay, so now that I have all of my tags ready to go, I'm going to go over here to make it. And so the only problem with sticker paper is that you're really limited on how much you can cut and print on one page. So you can make these smaller if you want to get more on one page, but I like this size, so I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to hit send to printer, and I'm going to hit print. Okay, so for this I'm using my Auntie Tay sticker paper. This was in her December mystery box, so super, super great paper to use. So I'm just going to open it. I haven't even opened this yet. And so now I'm just going to enter in this sticker paper into my printer over here. All right, so it's ready to go. So now I can go over here and click print on my laptop. And my laptop is having me choose the material I'm using. So I'm gonna type in sticker and see what comes up. and I'm just going to click sticker paper and hit done, and then it should be coming over here to print. There we go. Okay, so now I have these printed, so I can move my printer so I can make room for my mat. Okay, so now I can apply this to my mat. So I'm just gonna use my blue mat. So this is the light grip mat, so I'm just gonna stick it. Okay. So now that we have our settings set, we can enter and cut. All right, so now we can take our mat out. So now we have our very own, little gift labels. So you just peel this off like you would a normal sticker. So now I have my mom's gift here, and I'm a terrible wrapper, but now I can take this off and I can just stick it right here. So you just apply it like a normal sticker. So there you have it. That's pretty much it. So we have our cute little gift label here. I love these trees from Cricut. They're so cute. They're so like clean and modern. I love it. So if you have any questions, leave me a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And happy crafting and Merry Christmas and happy holidays.